Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. I've got my official pine cleaning shirt now. I redeemed my order from the Clorox company and I got my shirt. I will leave a link in the description as to what I'm talking about if y'all haven't seen it yet. But let's go ahead and get started on the video. For today's cleaning I have DeVere Pine Cleaner. Nice simple packaging. There's a look at the company info. The directions, it says 1 ounce per gallon of water, but you all know what we're going to do here. We'll head on over to the cloud cam. As usual, I have my 1 gallon of hot water, and to that I'm going to add an 1/8 cup of product. I'm instantly greeted with a moderately strong traditional pine scent with maybe a hint of mint. Smells pretty good. Not seeing any clouds to speak of, but that's not a deal breaker. The real test is to see how well it cleans. So let's go back over to the floor cam. As usual, I will go over the floor twice to ensure a good thorough clean. One time. And the second time. I have whipped up some nice suds with that product. The entry hall is smelling quite lovely at this point. And I am happy with that. Let's take a look at the after. Notice quite a bit of suds. Water's quite a bit darker. The floor was dirty today, and this product did a fine job cleaning the floor. I wouldn't hesitate to buy this one again. Once again, cleaning the floor with DeVere Pine Cleaner. Thank you for watching.